Hey everyone, it's Jenny the garden designer. And today we're gonna get dirty because I'm showing you a DIY for soil, obviously. It's super easy, cost efficient, and kind of fun. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step is adding 1 part cow manure. Composted cow manure is a natural and odorless fertilizer for your plants. Next, you're gonna add perlite. I mentioned 2 parts here. You could actually scale that back to 1 part. That's what I've been doing lately and it's been working just fine, but just personal preference there. But perlite helps with drainage. Now we're gonna add 3 parts of peat moss. You could also substitute coconut fiber here. Peat moss is really great at retaining moisture for potted plants, and it's also really great for seed starting. It also helps with nutrient retention. So just like it is really good at retaining moisture, it's really good at retaining nutrients. That way they're not just rinsed out of the soil when you water your plants. And then we're gonna add a scoopful of slow-release fertilizer. The exact type you use is up to you. I do recommend something organic or more natural. Definitely if you're growing something edible, right? So if you're growing vegetables or fruit, anything that you're going to consume, you want to make sure that you're using a organic fertilizer. And then we're going to mix everything up. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Another helpful tip that I recommend doing is add your water into, the bin or whatever you're using to mix your soil. Adding water to it and mixing it all in before putting that soil in your pots or seed starting trays is going to help to remove any air pockets that might be in the soil. If you've ever tried to water plants with completely dry soil, you might know what I mean. Like if you pour the water in, it almost just like seeps right out of the bottom of the pot. It doesn't really get to the plant and to the roots. So I hope you guys enjoyed that DIY. It's super fun and simple. If you have kids, they're gonna love helping out, and make it your own. I mean, if it's seed starting, you could add more peat moss, less perlite. For potted plants, you could do more cow manure. This is just soil we're talking about. So be a little adventurous, live life on the edge. So as always, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, keep watching, keep growing.